Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez from my Sagari channel. A faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na tingnan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of November 18 hanggang November 25 for the sign of Aquarius. Aquarius, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And i-notification bell for more videos update kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang masawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for this sign of Aquarius? So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius signs ang ating mga gilap? So guys, eto na, tutunghayan natin at bubulabugin natin yan. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, let's see and watch this. Angels, please give information po. So this is the Knight of Wands. Oh, resilience, persistence. Ano kasi sinasabi dito, kailangan mo magtiyaga sa kung ano man ang meron ka ngayon. No? Kung may mga bagay na may sasakatuparan mo na. Napakalapit mo na para matupad dito. There's a Three of Pentacles with the collaborations. No? Transactions. Coordinations. May mga bagay dito na kailangan mo makipag-usap, makipag-ugnayan ng maayos at malinaw. Sa madaling salita, communicate clearly. There's a Ten of Cups with the happiness. Magiging masaya ka dito. No? At itong kaligayahan nito ay maaaring mag-uumapaw. No? There's something rainbow. After the storms, may mga bagay na rin na magbibigay kaligayahan dahil sa mga nangyari sa iyo na hindi mo inaadya, no? Kumbaga, this is something, a beautiful disaster. The Moon card for a truth reveal. So, may mga bagay na maliliwanagan ka. May mga bagay na matutuklasan ka na. This is something, the Moon card for a dream coming true. No? There's the Moon card, the Emperor, represent for maturity or something powerful. And because authority, Emperor, nag-represent with something mature enough person. Na maging mature ka sa lahat ng situations, kaganapan. And because, I think this is something a situations, no? Kaya kailangan marunong ka nang tumayo sa sarili mong mga paa. Or kumbaga, marunong kang proteksyonan at pangalagaan ng sarili mo. And because this is something, the Five of Swords, no? With the self-sabotage. Mag-iingat ka, no? With your actions. Na baka maaaring ginahanapan ka ng kahinaan or butas nito. What is the Knight of Wands? Represent what? The Six of Wands. For victory is yours. May mga bagay na magtatagumpay na. May mga bagay na may sasakatuparan na. The Three of Pentacles represent the Lover's card. No, maaaring there's something connected with your love life. Connected sa asawa mo. Maaaring magkaroon dito ng something event. No, proposal or something engagement. Or something of unity, teamwork, no? What is the Ten of Pentacles? So this is the Tower moment for a major changes. Or something na tinatawag natin kaninang chaos. But this is something rebuilding, no? Maaring nasira yan, no? Gawa ng mga sigalot, problema, sakuna, or ano bang uri ng paninira ng eksena na nagdulot sa iyo ng kahirapan at kasakitang kalooban, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, maaaring mabuo ulit, no? Ang mga nasira, no? Na relasyon, pagsasama, maaaring pamilya, maaaring magbuklod ulit kayo na magkaroon kayo ng pagkakaisa, no? Maaaring magkaroon kayo ng kaligayahan dito. And this is a Seven of Pentacles with the harvest time. So may mga bagay na mag-harvest na dito, no? Kumbaga ito yung mga pinangarap mo, maaaring matamo mo na. What is the Emperor? They represent the Three of Wands. So, something waiting for ship. Ito na hinihintay mo. No? Kumbaga, there's something ugat or roots na ito yung pinagpaguran mo na maaaring ito hinihintay mo resulta, maaaring makuha mo na. There's a trouble, guys. There's a to observe with an indecision. May mga bagay dito na parang nahihirapan ka mag-decide. Mag-iingat ka sa mga decision, guys, ha? Kasi nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage dito dahil sa mga pala-desisyon, no? At mga biglaang action. What is the Knight of Wands? Because the Six of Wands. There represents with the Knight of Wands. Slowly but surely. No? Mabagal man pero sinisigurado dito magtatagumpay ka. No? Hindi naman yan instant or something. Yun nga, instant na maaaring magmadali or madaliin ang sitwasyon. Kumaga unti-unti lang yan. No? Kailangan mong gamayan, pakiramdaman. May mga bagay na ipagkakaloob yan sa'yo kung para sa'yo talaga yan. What is the Three of Pentacles? Because the Lovers. There's a Two of Cups with a partnership. See, this is something a higher level commitment. Kumbaga meron talaga pang matagalang eksena dito. No? Kailangan nyo makipag-coordinate, makipag-usap, heart-to-heart conversation. Ganon. What is the Ten of Cups? Because the Tower moment. So this is the Knight of Swords. See, nagbigay stress and depression sa ito. Now, but this is something a beautiful disaster. No? Kumbaga nangyari to dahil para malaman nyo ang kahalagahan ng isa't isa. Ganon. What is the Moon card? Because the Seven of Pentacles. So this is the Page of Wands by good news. May magandang balita ka na, no? Kumbaga itong magandang balita na to ay magdadala sa'yo ng pangmatagalang biyaya, no? Magmatagalang pag-aani. What is the additional messages with the Emperor? And of course, this is the Three of Wands. So, this is the Queen of Swords, the bigger picture. Dapat titignan mo yung magiging possibilities. Magiging outcome ng eksena. No? Kailangan mong gamayan, lakasan ng loob mo, lakasan ng pakiramdam mo, at kailangan mong maging maganda ang takbo ng eksena. What is additional messages with an Angel Spirit? With the Five of Swords, because the Two of Swords. So, this is something that I record with a visual payment. So, may mga bagay na matutupad na, may mga bagay na may sasakatuparan na. May mga bagay na ilalantad na. May mga bagay na ibabahagi na. May mga bagay na ibibigay na. Okay, so let's see what is additional messages. A visual payment na may tutupad na. Ito matagal mong hinihintay. For the outcome. So, this is something, the Sun card with a pure positive outcome. Magiging maganda ng kalalabasan dito, oh. And because this is a Two of Wands by choices, ikaw na yung pipili ng opportunities. Ang ganda. Now, this is the Ace of Pentacles with a big shot and big money coming in for you. Abot kamay muna na malalaking salaries, malalaking finances na papasok dito at bubulabog sa'yo. No, let's see what is additional messages pagdating sa career and finances. So, this is the Ace of Wands, something in new plans, new project. And this is a Page of Swords. There is something, get more information. Marami kang dapat tuklasin. Malaman, plano, no? Buuin ng mga bagong proyekto. Buuin ng mga bagong plano. Buuin ng mga bagong negosyo, trabaho, or magkakaroon ka ng bagong branches dito with your business. And this is a Ten of Wands reverse. So, no more burden. Nawala na yung pasakit, bigat. No, wala nang mga, dito, pabigat ng eksena. Additional messages. Pagdating sa love life. So, this is the Knight of Swords with the success drive-in. Nakakusa na lang to lalapit ang love life sa'yo. This is the High Priestess with the unexpected moment. So, this is something mystery. The more na parang greedy ka na makilala at makakuha itong tao na to, hindi mo yan makikilala. Kumbaga, kailangan mong pakawalan, tutukan sa sarili mo, how to grow yourself. No, dyan mo makikilala yung taong para sa'yo talaga. Additional messages pagdating sa health. So, this is a Death card in reverse. So, this is something in new beginning. Maaaring magkaroon ka ng kagalingan sa iyong mga nararamdaman. And there's the Eight of Cups and sa something moving on, moving forward, at the same time, recovery. No, makakalaya ka na sa kung ano man yung mga nararamdaman mo. Additional messages tayo, guys, with the synchronicities. With synchronicities, let's see. And there's something losses. See, may mga bagay na nawawala sa buhay mo, sa sitwasyon mo, ay it's an opportunity to appreciate things, no? Kumbaga, inaalis yan sa'yo dahil may dahilan, no? May ibig sabihin. And there's an Empress card for a revert, a new beginning coming in for you. May bagong eksena, bagong simula na nagdadala sa'yo ng success. And this is something, sister, connected with your sister, no? Let's see what is the Romance Angels. Kabila. Let's see what is the romance angels. And because this is something between the lines. So this is something, look for what hidden. Hanapin mo yung mga bagay na nakatago or may mga bagay dito na malalantad na. Kung ano man yung mga bagay na hindi mo pa lubos na nakikita at nauunawaan. And this is something single. Not in relationship. Meron naman dito single, guys. And there's a lies. Meron naman dito nagsinungaling at niloko, tinraidor. Additional messages tayo with the magical fairy messages. For magical fairy messages represent what? And there's a trouble, guys. May trouble talaga dito, guys, no? Na maaring magdala sa ng, di ba, adventures and express your individuality. No? Ipakita mo sa sarili mo, ipakita mo sa ibang tao kung ano yung totoong ikaw. No? Kumbaga, ilantad mo, ipakita mo yung kung anong katangian, kakayanan mo, no? At kaalaman mo. No? Because there's something uniqueness. Additional messages with the yin and yang oracle card. And this is something spy looking, watching at you. Mag-ingat kami, sumusubaybay sa'yo. No, and there's a fear, no? Limitahan mo yung takot at pangamba. Meron dyan, there's something bullies, budol, mag-ingat po, no? Nililin lang kaya para hindi kayo makapag-focus, nililigaw kayo ng eksena para hindi nyo mapagtagumpayan yung mga nais nyo. And this is something transcendence, unity. Meron ditong, kumbaga, kailangan nyo ng pagkakaisa, pakikipag-ugnayan ng maayos, maliwanag at malinaw, no? Let's see what is Archangel Michael messages for you. For Archangel Michael messages. Okay, this is something represent with a keep your eyes on your target intentions, no? Kumaga tumutok ka sa mga intention mo talaga, yung mga kagustuhan mo, yung mga gusto mong maisakatuparan, gusto mong magtagumpay, tumutok ka doon kung ano yung plano mo. And this is something a favorable outcome. At probable na sa iyo ang sitwasyon na to. And write about your thoughts and feelings, no? Sundin mo yung nararamdaman mo. No, at the same time, this is something new beginning and fresh start is coming. So, magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula, panibagong yugto, panibagong eksena. What is an angel's answer? Represent what? What is an angel's answer? And because this is something, wait, marunong ka maghintay. Hintayin mo yung mga bagong opportunities na darating sa'yo. There's a look for a sign. So, maghintay ka ng senyales, no? At of course, ng ating mga gabay, this is something success coming in for you. No, magtatagumpay ka na. Huwag kang mag-alala. So, let's see what is the chakra messages. And there's a passion. Gawin mo yung mga bagay na magpapasaya sa'yo, yung hilig mo, no? Yung kakayanan mo, kaalaman mo, no? Tutukan mo yan. And because this is something soulmate connections. May soulmate dito, guys, no? Maaaring connected kayo with your partner. And this is something between, bittersweet, no? Kumbaga may paitatamis ng tagumpay dito. May mga bagay na masarap matamo ang tagumpay kung ito ay yung pinaghirapan. What is the romance angels? Represent what? Express your love. Ipakita mo yung pag-ibig mo and there's a reconciliation. May pagbabalikan talaga na magaganap. No? Ipapakita talaga yung pag-ibig nyo ay hindi pa tapos. And this is something new love is coming. At dito ipapakita yung bagong pag-ibig. May unfinished business dito, guys. So, let's see what is additional messages. An artist, mag-ingat kayo. There's a drama. May babalik dito. Kumbaga, magiging marupok ka, but eventually, maaring lokohin ka ulit. Kaya kailangan, there's a new love coming in for you. Now, there's an animals. Kumbaga, there's an animal lover. Oh, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a dragonfly sa magic, transformation. May mga bagay na unti-unti nang bababago, mag-iiba. And this is something love talaga. There's a love involvement here. And there's a taking action. Kailangan mong kumilos, gumalaw dito. Sa mga nangyayari sa'yo, kailangan mo na ng actions. For the energy, represent what? The word card. Ooh, what? There's a something travel, and this is something a door to romance. Bukas ang pintuan para sa mga bagong pag-ibig. And there's an indecision. May mga bagay na nahihirapan ka mag-desisyon. And there's a storm warning. May unos at susubok ulit, buwagin at susubukan ulit. Bayuhin ang eksena mo. Mag-iingat ka. What is the Moonsology? And there is something, be bold and make the first move. So, kailangan mong ikaw yung magdesisyon, ikaw yung gumawa ng action. No? And because this is something, a new romantic cycle begin. Magsisimulan pa ng bagong cycle. Pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig, kikiligin ka ba? O masasaktan kang muli? Maghanda ka. No? Ang pag-ikot ng kapalaran at pag-ikot ng bagong tatahaking landasin pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. And there's a friendship. Connected with your friendship. No, ibig sabihin dito, get more information, guys. No? Getting to know each other muna, and this is something discipline. Kailangan mo ng disiplina sa sarili mo, no? Hindi pwedeng nabetan mo lang sunggab ng sunggab. Hindi pwedeng ganon, guys, no? Ay kang harapal messages. And there's a fresh air. May sariwang hangin dito, guys. Kailangan yung sariwang hangin, no? Baka marami ng pollution dyan sa lugar nyo or sa eksena nyo. Or marami ng toxic. Additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's an activated earth. Power places. So, trust where you led, no? May mga bagay na hindi napapanahon. May mga bagay na ibibigay sa'yo sa sitwasyon, no? Kung ito'y para sa iyo. And there's a first, don't follow. So, may mga bagay na hindi pa para sa iyo. Kumbaga, kailangan mong sumunod, no? Sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na ibinibigay sa iyo. And this is something, wait, marunong ka maghintay. It's not yet time. At the same time, this is something, I'm sorry. Meron ditong hihingi ng tawad. Hihingi ng tawad for what? For testing you, for you are also marupok. Titingnan dito kung marupok ka pa ba? Kung malambot ka pa ba? Ganon. So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. Or kung uto-uto ka pa ba? So, Jesus loving quote said, I am the good shepherd giving his life for the sheep. So, see, ibinibigay sa iyo yung mga bagay na para sa iyo talaga. No? Dahil alam ng Panginoon yung mga bagay na ibibigay sa iyo, kung ito yung mga bagay na mas mahalaga at mga bagay na magbibigay aral or magsisilbing aral sa iyo, at tatatakto at may mga bagay na matututunan ka dito. And this is something, take dirt for not out, take dirt no for the thought for the morrow shall take thought for the things itself. Ibig sabihin dito, kumaga wag kang magmadali, no? Or wag mong isipin yung mangyayari sa kinabukasan. Hayaan mong maganap to ayon sa kalooban. The more na nag-i-expect ka na maganap, the more na nag-i-expect ka na ibigay sa'yo, oh my God, hindi yan ibibigay sa'yo. Kumaga, walang pinagkaiba yan sa greedy situation. The more na greedy ka doon sa situation na hindi ibibigay sa'yo, kailangan unfold it naturally, surrender to divine. So, let's see what is an angel's number. Represent 0110-4, belief system. Baguhin ang sistemang ginagalawan dahil you are also blessed with the talent and skills that make easiest for you. Stand out from the crowd. Embrace what you make you different. That take your path to success. Your dreams will come. Your dreams will soon come true. So see, magtatagumpay ka at matutupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. No, darating na yan. And this is a 1334 starting fresh. Magsisimulan panibagong eksena at panibagong opportunities. Stand up. Step up of your comfort zone. You are about to create something meaningful. All your skills and talent will bring you expeditious profits. Build up your confidence and trust in your decision. No, magtiwala ka sa sarili mo. Magtiwala ka sa ating mga gabay. Dahil kailangan mong kumawala sa mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo dahil hindi ka magtatagumpay kung may pangamba at pag-aalinlangan ka. So, let's see what is the messages of life. Messages of life represent progress. Oh, this is it. Each day, as I recognize the divine with me, I progress further along the path of my spirit. Today, I respect my needs, observe what happened within, and do my best to maintain a positive attitude. I have faith in my inner strength and capabilities. I grow and improve every day to day. God's opinion of me is the only opinion that matters. So, see? Kumbaga, may mga bagay dyan na pinagkakaloob sa'yo, no? Magsisilbing kaligayahan, katuparan to. Manatiling positibo ka sa lahat ng iisipin, sa lahat ng gagawin mo. Dahil kung nagtitiwala ka sa ating Panginoon, mas nagtitiwala siya sa iyo. Kung may mga bagay na ibibigay siya sa iyo, alam niyang kaya mo at malalagpasan mo ito. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of for the month of November 18 hanggang November 25 for sign on Aquarius. So, Aquarius, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. Because don't forget, so like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng adsaway, pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!